Now let's move to problem number 4 and how we solve it. Imagine 1,500 brand new contracts show up every single day. That's way too many for any person to read. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it. You just pick a few simple things: your industry, your city, and how soon it's due. And just like that, the page shows you only the contracts that are actually good for you, nothing else. It takes about 10 seconds, instead of spending hours reading things you don't even need. And I'll show you in the dashboard exactly how this works. Okay, let me really paint this picture for you. Every single day, 1,500 new government contracts show up. 1,500. And out of all of those, maybe only 3 or 4 are actually good for your business. So what happens today without help? Someone on your team opens one, reads it, says, "Nope, not for us." Opens the next one, "Nope." Over and over, hundreds of times a day. That's not really working. That's just drowning in paper. So here's exactly how Sambid fixes it, in plain and simple words. Think of it like a magnet, but a magnet that only picks up the color you want. First, you type in your industry or your NAICS code, like IT services, and where you're located, your city or your state. There are even quick buttons for the big states, so you don't even have to type it. Then you pick your due date range, next 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. Or if you want to be really specific, you can even pick your own custom from and to dates. After that, you can narrow it down even further. Days left to apply, what type of notice it is, whether it's set aside for a specific kind of small business, which government agency, like Defense or NASA or the VA, even the contract value, under 150,000, up to 1 million, up to 10 million, or more, or your own custom amount. And if you know the exact PSC code, you can type that in too. And here's the best part. You only set this up one time. After that, every single time you open the page, it automatically shows you only the good stuff. And it doesn't just show you a plain list either. Every single contract on the page shows you a match score, like 85% or 80%, so you instantly know how good a fit it is. It even tells you exactly why it matched, your NAICS code matches, or your certification qualifies. And if a deadline is coming up fast, it turns yellow and warns you, less than 24 hours left, act immediately. That waterfall of 1,500 contracts a day turns into a small, clean little stream. Just a few contracts, and every single one of them is actually worth your time. 10 seconds. That's it. Not 10 hours of reading things you don't need. And here's exactly where this lives. This is the Find Contracts page, right inside your dashboard. All of those filters I just talked about, and this whole results list with the match scores and the urgency warnings, it's all right here on this one screen. Now before I go, I want to say something real quick, and I mean this. If this video actually helped you understand something new today, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and it costs you nothing. And drop a comment below. Tell me what part confused you, or what you want me to explain next. I read every single comment. Your questions are what decide which problem I cover in the next video. So stay connected, because we've still got a lot more of these 17 problems to go through together, and I don't want you to miss a single one.